Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create blondie locks from Ever After High on Dress and Press. Super simple. The only VIP thing you need is the shoes, which you can use other shoes if you don't have them. Whoops, I just deleted. Okay, so for the hair, I use this Brad hair in this color, FFD37A, and then I use this hair in the same color in the back toggle. Then I used these bangs in the same color, positioned it the same, and then I used this hair, in the only bangs toggle in the Z position of 0.52. Then for the headband, color it 837EA6 in the default toggle, position the Y to 0.53, Z to 0.42, rotate the X to 0.48, and scale it to 0.39. Then I'm just going to grab this bow from Codes in the same color, position the Y to 0.57, Z to 0.29, rotate the X to 0.41, and scale it to 0.15. Grab this top from Codes and color it this yellow, FFE7A3, and then that again, and then 837FA6 in light silk, and then in 383A5D, and then that same, and then this color, 383A5D, 5D, yeah, 383A5D. Then grab these sleeves in that same color in light silk, in that same blue we used for the color. And then we are going to use the skirt in that same yellow, and then in that same blue in light silk, and then the rest in that dark blue. Then we are going to get this in light silk in like this gray color. Then we are going to get these boots in all black except for the fur here, and color it this brown for F381E in silk, and then in black for the last toggle. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.